Hello everyone, this is Pranita here. Welcome to my channel Desire to Learn Pathshala. As we complete half lesson in the first part, so now remaining lesson will complete in this part. So let's start. Let's see the fourth scene. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. So following Saturday means usually used when talking about the Saturday that is coming up. आने वाला सैटरडे जो होता है उसे हम कहते हैं. There was inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. So, Rima took part in English song category and Rima did not expect. So, she surprised to see Malti's name in the list of Hindi song singing categories. So, what she said? Oily plate sings also, she said snidely to Claire. So snidely means पूरी तरह से मुंह बनाकर mocking in nasty manner. She said, oily plates चिपचिपे तेलदार चोटी वाली गाती भी है. Crocs you mean, giggled Claire. Crocs a rough sound like a frog. So turtle हम उसको बोलते हैं जैसे frog का sound. And giggled means laugh in a silly way. So टरटराते हुए ऐसे गाएगी ऐसे क्लेयर कहती है. They were to be proved wrong. वो गलत साबित हुए. कैसे? Let's see. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. So they were to be proved wrong. Malti वो तो गलत साबित हो गए. Because Malti sang beautifully. बहुत सुंदर उसने गाया. And she had sweet, pleasant, melodious, मधुर, well-trained voice है उसका. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang. But there was such absolute silence. They did not dare to. They were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. So Rima and her gang had decided to make fun of her. Jeer means उपासना करना, किसी व्यक्ति पर हंसना. But as we know, Malti sang beautifully. She had sweet vocal. So everyone were lost within the song. And there was absolute silence. पूरी शांति थी. So they did not dare to do any mischief. If they did so, they sure to get caught. और वो ऐसा करती, अगर रीमा की गैंग ऐसा कुछ करती तो वो पकड़े जाते. When Malti finished a song, जैसे ही मालती ने अपना सॉन्ग खत्म किया, the principal was the first one to start clapping. Then teachers and students. So that means her singing hold the complete attention. सबका attention उसके singing ने खींच लिया. Malti held everyone spellbound. सब उसके गाने में खो गए. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow, she felt no joy. As Malti sang beautifully and everyone liked beautiful singing, सबको पसंद आई. So no one surprised when Malti won the first prize in Hindi song category. And Rima also won the first prize in English song singing category. But after winning also Rima was not happy. No joy. खुशी नहीं थी उसको. First आके भी. She felt jealous of Malti. She did not like that Malti got first prize. उसको पसंद नहीं आया. Let's see the fifth scene. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all. Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. So, as the term progressed, जैसे जैसे क्लास का कार्यकाल आगे बढ़ता गया, it was abundantly पूरी तरह से क्लियर हो गया to all that Malti was a bright, clever girl. इंटेलिजेंट एंड स्टूडियस पढ़ाकू लड़की है एंड वेल इन स्पोर्ट्स टू, खेलों में भी बहुत अच्छी है. एंड हर forte means a thing at which someone excels or best, and she was best in maths. वो मैथ्स में बहुत ही अच्छी थी. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. So, her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. So she seems very simple, and that failed to give us true impression, means belied. That she has a sharp brain and ability to think quickly or understand easily. जितनी वो सरल और सीधी सादी दिखती थी, जितना उसमें सादापन था, मगर उसका पूरा इम्प्रेशन नहीं दिखा पाता था वो चीज़ कि वो कितनी तेज, कितनी फुर्तीले दिमाग की है, कितना अच्छा उसका दिमाग है. So as she was best in the maths and her nature was very kind and generous, बहुत उसका स्वभाव दयालु है और हेल्पफुल भी है. So many girls began seeking, asking or taking her help in mathematics. And she helped everyone happily. And she always ready to help others. So now Malti being liked by teachers because she gave respect to everyone. And she is intelligent. वो आदर करती थी, वो होशियार भी थी. And she was not proudy. And now because of her all good qualities and behavior, all girls from the class now befriended her. So class की लड़कियां जो थी उसकी become friend, उसकी दोस्त बन गई सब. So not Rima and her colleague though, they stubbornly disliked Malti. They were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malti did could utter the fact that she was not their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. So Rima and her colleague means a group of her friends, उसके दोस्त stubbornly means unreasonably dislike Malti. मालती को पसंद नहीं करते थे. Rima and her friend are stylish, friends are stylish, and they were good in English. वो इंग्लिश में भी अच्छे थे. Malti was not their type, and she knew that fact that she is different, alter to become a different, but उनसे अलग है. But Rima and her gang never missed the chance to poke fun at her, to make jokes on her. उसका मजाक उड़ाने का वो एक भी चांस वो छोड़ते नहीं थे, रीमा एंड उसके फ्रेंड्स. Now let's see the sixth scene. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day, she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said "ox" instead of "ask." So Malti was really a nice girl and very humble in her behavior, and she felt bad about their behavior. उनका बर्ताव देख के उसको बहुत बुरा लगता था. One day she was on the verge of tears, means she was going to cry. आंसू उसके गिरने ही वाले थे. When Rima mocked at her mercilessly, very unkind way, बहुत ही निर्दयता से उसकी हंसी उड़ाती है, to laugh on her, because she said "ux" instead of "ask." So her pronunciation were little weak. Her pronunciations were little weak because she was from village. But she was very clever. वो बहुत होशियार थी. Her voice trembling, Malti said, "I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it?" So how politely she admitted her lacking, though she was very talented, but she knew her English was weak. एंड शी आस्क्ड हर फॉर हेल्प टू इम्प्रूव इट. उसने पूछा क्या तुम मुझे हेल्प करोगी इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. So, I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Miss बढ़ा चढ़ा कर worst way में वो reply करती है to her and said to her, speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. So she insulted her again that you are countrified from village, so you are village girl types. And it's not your cup of tea to speak English. So it shows her how she underestimated Malti. And she was impolite, she was nasty. The way she spoke, उसका कैरेक्टर रीमा का बात करने से वो दिखाई देती है कि किस तरह से वो एकदम नेस्टी है, किस तरह से वो कितने रूड वे से बात करती है. दैट वो रिफ्लेक्ट होता है उसके बाद से. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort, but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. Malti's face turned red. लाल हो गई मालती. She wanted to retort. She wanted to reply quickly, but could not find right words. उसको words ही नहीं आए. So she burst into tears. वो फूट फूट के रोई. And she ran off. और वहाँ से वो भाग जाती है. That was horrid, Rima, said Shehnaz. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. शहनाज भी उसको कहती है योर बिहेवियर वॉज हॉरिड मीन्स वेरी अनप्लेजेंट और अनकाइंड वे. पूरा बहुत बुरा व्यवहार है रीमा. यस अग्रीड नेहा एंड क्लियर वो भी अग्रीड हो जाते हैं दैट शी बिहेव बैडली. वो उसके अगेंस्ट चले जाते हैं. दे बिकम अगेंस्ट ऑफ रीमा बिकॉज ऑफ अ बैड बिहेवियर. रीमा वॉज शॉक्ड. हर ओन फ्रेंड्स हैड टर्न अगेंस्ट हर. She walked off in a huff. Because Rima and her friends, they belongs to same gang. They were stylish, they were proudy gang. They used to make fun of Malti together. So Rima felt shocked that my friends turned against me. मेरे friend मेरे against हो गए. So she walked off in a huff. वो मुंह फुला के चली जाती है. Now let's see the seventh scene. Mr. Sen found her subdued over lunch, but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it, even to herself, from Odd One Inn by Tithi Tavora. So Mr. Sen, her mother, found her subdued, means quiet, not very loud. बहुत शांत लगी उनको वो during lunch. But her mother did not ask anything to her. And Rima also knew that. She behaved very badly. उसको पता था कि उसका व्यवहार बहुत बुरा था. But she was too proud that she is. So she felt that she is not ready to accept her mistake. She felt that she is better than anyone. सबसे वो better है. She was not ready to admit it. वो अपनी गलती मानने के लिए रेडी नहीं थी, तैयार ही नहीं थी. दैट शी कमिट अ मिस्टेक. अभी भी उसका जो बिहेवियर था उसको अपनी मिस्टेक जो है मानने नहीं दे रहा था. Moral of the lesson. Moral of the lesson. Always ready to help others. We should help others. If anyone is in need, we have to help them. Don't judge a book by its cover means that we should not judge people on the basis of their caste, religion, clothes, color and appearance. So हमें किसी को judge नहीं करना है. If there's somebody is poor in pronunciation, their outward appearance is not good. So we should not judge. We should not tell that whether the person is smart or not by looking the appearance, the way he speaks. हम बोल नहीं सकते. So language is just a sound that we are making. That doesn't show that you are talented and you are knowledgeable. So don't judge the people by their speaking skill, by their appearance. हमें उस तरह से पर्सन को जज नहीं करना है कि वो अच्छा से बोल पाता है इंग्लिश, वो अच्छा उसने अच्छे क्लोथ्स पहने, दैट मीन्स इज स्मार्ट नॉलेजेबल। ऐसे हम लोग किसी को डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर सकते। एंड नेवर बी प्राउड ऑन योर सेल्फ। हमें हाँ ओके, यू आर गुड इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, यू हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, सो डोंट बी प्राउड ऑन योर सेल्फ। तुम्हें खुद के ऊपर प्राउड नहीं फील करना चाहिए उसके लिए। सो यू शुड help others, you should be generous, you should be polite, you should not be nasty, you should, if somebody is new in your class, if somebody is new to your group, you should welcome them. So हमें proud नहीं रहना चाहिए उस वक्त। So these are some values we learn from the lesson, इस lesson से हमने पढ़ी है। If you like the lesson, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.